Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing two beautiful Christmas DIYs with you guys. So if you are interested in this video, please keep watching. The first DIY is going to be a centerpiece, and I'll be using this garland from the Dollar Tree along with two floral foam blocks. So to join these two together, I applied some hot glue. So here are my candlesticks. I have two of the longer candlesticks on each end of the floral foam blocks, and I have two little ones in the middle, and I just applied some hot glue to them to help hold it onto that floral foam block. Next, I'm using my garland. So what I did is I wrapped the garland around the floral foam blocks, and I just cut it right at the very top. And then I apply some hot glue to the corners of that to help hold it in place. Now let's move on to the fun part. So we'll be creating our floral arrangement. I'm using this Dollar Tree picks. So all I'm doing here is I am putting that pick into the floral foam block at an angle so that it's all facing the same direction. Next, I'll be adding these poinsettias. They're so pretty. I love them because the tip has like this little gold glitter on them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them and place them all around the front and the back of my arrangement. And I'm also using this pick between two of the candle holders. So I have one between the first and the second, and one between the second and the third. So next, I'm placing my candle holder on top of that candlestick using hot glue. These are also from the Dollar Tree. They're so pretty, guys. I love it. Next, I decided to add some berries. I'm using some gold glittered berries and some white berries. And then I decided to use this glittered branch. It does have a good amount of glitter fallout. I cut it into three and I placed that behind my floral arrangement. And I also decided to add some ornaments to this. So these are from the Dollar Tree too. I did 2, 1, 2, 1, and I used hot glue to secure that into place. Also applying the same technique to the back of the floral arrangement. So here's the final result of my beautiful centerpiece. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with the way this turned out. It is so beautiful and so festive and definitely very glam. I love it. It really goes well with my Christmas colors, which are gold, white, and a little bit of red. But I love this because it will work really well with any color. Let me know what you guys think down in a comment section. Let me know if this is something that you would try. If you do try it, would you use the same color? What color would you use to make yours? Let's get the conversation going down in a comment section. So now we're just going to go ahead and jump into our second DIY. So for the second DIY, we'll be creating some decorative presents. So I'll be using this large gift box that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we are going to be using some microfiber cloth to wrap that around this gift box. So all I did was I measured that all around the box, and then I cut that, and we'll be using some hot glue to place this onto the gift box. So when I cut out this material, I made sure to leave a little bit more so that we can have a clean finish by pulling that into the box. And this is supposed to mimic like the faux fur material, which is pretty decent. What would you say? So I'm going to go ahead and just repeat the step all around the box. Next, I'm adding my ribbon. So I'm using a large ribbon first. Also, I cut it to have a little bit more so that we can have a clean finish by putting the ribbon inside the box. At first, I wanted to use a small ribbon, but I did change my mind. I decided to use the diamond wrap instead of this ribbon to give it a little bit more wow factor, but you can definitely customize it. I also used that all around the sides of the box to have a better finish, and I think it turned out pretty good. So here's the final result of my beautiful decorative box. I think it turned out to be so beautiful. I added some pine cones and some berries on top just to give it a little bit more of that present look, and I think it turned out to be beautiful, guys. I love it. I currently have it placed under my tree, and it goes really well with another decorative box that I previously purchased. I think it turned out really beautiful. It was so easy to make, and it was so inexpensive to make. Let me know what you think about this beautiful decorative box. I think it's really beautiful, and it really goes well with my Christmas colors, and I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys did too. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, I will definitely love for you to join the Moji Style family by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care and have a blessed week.